the true sound of the universe that NASA doesn't dare to reveal. What if I told you the universe is not silent, not peaceful, not serene, but filled with sounds so ancient, so violent, and so unsettling that NASA has filtered, edited, and in some cases refuses to publish them raw? We imagine space as quiet, empty, still, but it isn't. The universe hums, it roars, it screams, and the most terrifying part? Some of these cosmic sounds originate from billions of light years away, yet they vibrate through the fabric of space-time and directly through you. Tonight, we listen to the sounds humanity was never meant to hear. Camera glides through swirling nebulae, deep blues, violent reds, silent visuals until a low, throbbing vibration fades in. A cosmic heartbeat. A pulsar blinks like a strobe across the void. A black hole distorts starlight like glass. Gas clouds ripple like frozen thunderstorms. Every object, every force, every motion generates sound not through air, but through pressure waves, magnetic fields, and gravitational pulses. The universe is an orchestra, and we are finally learning to listen. Most people believe sound cannot exist in space, and in one way, they're right. There is no air, no atmosphere, no medium for sound as we hear on Earth. But space does have matter: plasma, gas, dust, dark matter halos. More importantly, it has something far stranger: waves, pressure waves, electromagnetic waves, gravitational waves. NASA, ESA, and observatories around the world convert these waves into audible sound by sonification, turning invisible cosmic signals into frequencies humans can hear. The results are unsettling: the roar of a black hole devouring matter, the ultrasonic scream of stars tearing themselves apart, the haunting whistle of charged particles spiraling through magnetic fields, the eerie, low hum of the cosmic microwave background, the first sound in existence. These aren't sound effects. These are real recordings from space, and some are so disturbing, NASA releases only the cleaned-up versions. Why are these sounds so haunting? Because they touch something primal, a fear older than humanity. We evolved with sound as survival. Roars meant predators, rumbles meant storms, cracks meant danger. But cosmic sounds? They have no frame of reference in human experience. They feel alien because they are alien. And when people online heard unfiltered black hole audio for the first time, many reported chills, unease, vivid nightmares. One comment reads, "It feels like something ancient is calling from the dark." Another, "This doesn't sound like space. It sounds like fear." This documentary asks, was NASA right to keep some of these sounds quiet? A. The mechanics of cosmic sound. A black hole generates sound by vibrating superheated gas at the edge of its event horizon. These vibrations are 57 octaves below human hearing, lower than any earthly instrument. But scaled up, they become a monstrous, bone-shaking drone. Pulsars, they emit audio like cosmic metronomes. Some tick in perfect rhythm, others glitch like broken clocks. Nebulae produce subsonic winds that, when converted, sound like ghostly choirs. The early universe, the moment after the Big Bang, was a roaring ocean of plasma. NASA converted it, and the result is a deep, trembling tone, like a giant breathing in the dark. B. What we've actually recorded: the Perseus black hole sound, a 200 million-year-old deep moan that feels like the universe waking up. Saturn's magnetic field audio, a metallic, glitchy shriek like an alien transmission. Whistler waves, high-pitched, sliding whistles, lightning interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Solar oscillations, the sun rings like a bell, a massive, fiery, vibrating sphere. C. The hidden files, NASA rarely mentions this, but several raw recordings were deemed too unsettling for public release due to severe distortion, overwhelming low-frequency rumble, psychological discomfort in test listeners. Unofficially, scientists say, the universe doesn't sound peaceful, it sounds alive. The frontier. In the next decade, new instruments like LISA, a space-based gravitational wave observatory, will detect the rumble of colliding black holes millions of years before the light reaches us, meaning we will hear cosmic events long before. Here's the part NASA doesn't promote. When you listen to the raw cosmic recordings, the full, unfiltered versions, you notice something chilling: patterns, repeated structures, rhythmic pulses, frequencies that should be random, but aren't. Some scientists speculate, is the universe resonating in ways we don't yet understand? Are these signatures of hidden physics, or something deeper? Because one thing is certain, the universe does not just make sound, communicates through vibration. What if humans could hear the universe naturally? If your ears could detect gravitational waves, you'd hear black holes consuming stars, galaxies colliding in slow motion, the hum of dark matter scaffolding the cosmos, the faint echo of the Big Bang still vibrating today. What if the universe is a giant resonating instrument? What if everything, including consciousness, is vibration? What if the universe itself is music? When we listen to these cosmic sounds, we're not just hearing the universe, we're hearing our origins. Every atom in your body was forged in the explosions we can now listen to. Every breath you take carries vibrations older than Earth. These sounds are not terrifying. They are reminders. We are children of a noisy, violent, magnificent universe. And so, the universe is not silent. It sings, it groans, it whispers through eternity. NASA doesn't hide the sounds because they're dangerous. They hide them because they change the way we understand existence. In the darkness between galaxies, a symphony is unfolding, ancient, endless, cosmic. And when we finally learn to listen, we may discover that the universe has been speaking to us all along. Perhaps the true sound of the universe is the sound of creation still echoing,